सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड गॉसिप स्टूडियो को एंड घंटी आइकॉन को दबा दीजिए इंडिया का न्यूज सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Rocking unbelievable Lionel Messi's mum causes controversy by turning up to her son's wedding in white dress as Barcelona star married Antonella Roccuzzo. Senior Maria Cucitini challenged Argentinian tradition and inwards at glitzy ceremony in white frock looking similar to bride. Lionel Messi has married childhood sweetheart Antonella Roccuzzo in Argentina's wedding of the century, but it was the Barcelona superstar's mum who made the headlines. The duo secured the knot in Rosario, where both are from, and the bride's dress had been flown in on a private jet from Spain. However, Messi's mum Celia Maria Cucitini seemed in a white frock and was accused of trying to upstage the bride. It was reported in Argentina that the two families had to book discreet entire floors at the luxury hotel complex in Rosario as they are not on speaking terms. In Argentina, it is considered really offensive for anyone other than the bride to wear white at a wedding. But Cucitini deprived of that tradition as she arrived on the red carpet alongside husband George Messi. It had been rumored in the build-up to the ceremony that her dress would be dark. Messi, 30, and Roccuzzo, 29, looked over the moon as they finally tied the knot in front of their young sons Thiago and Mateo. The five-time Ballon d'Or winner smiled as he enjoyed the special event with over 250 friends and family, while a host of Barcelona stars from past and present were in attendance. Premier League stars Cesc Fabregas and Sergio Aguero were present, while Barcelona legends Xavi Hernandez, Carles Puyol and Samuel Eto'o were also in town. It has been reported guests have had mobile phones banned, staffs want to privacy, and over 450 police officers have been brought in to manage the situation. Argentinian media say there is tension between Messi's family and his bride Antonella. According to the Daily Mail, their relationship has been under strain for nearly 7 years. But it is believed the families have stabled their differences for the wedding. A menu which comprised steak, salad, sushi and pasta had reportedly been leaked for guests to feast their eyes on.